I just want to say Happy New Year's to all of you. Wow, it's so great that I'm able to be here in New Year's and see all of you guys watching me and knowing that you guys made it for the New Year's. Finally, 2020 is behind us, gone now. I don't even want to remember that year anymore, man. It was just a tragic year, literally. But yeah, guys, I'm glad you guys made it. What's good, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Buzz. So today, I'm going to be giving you guys a 2021 tour of my desk setup. So behind me is my desk where I do my editing, my videos, my gaming, my productivity work, everything I do on there whenever I need to do anything like that, gaming, productivity, anything like that, I do it all on there. When I used to search the web, check emails, everything, YouTube, it's just everything goes on and behind me on my desk. So today I'm gonna run you guys down what's on my desk, everything that I've put on my desk, what I use it for, and also how it plays a part in me making my YouTube videos or me actually being on this setup there. Without further ado, before we start the video, I haven't said this for a while, but you know what's about to come. Cue the B-roll. So guys, in no specific order, I'm going to be going through my desk, telling you what's going on there and what I have on there. So first of all, the Ikea Plant. The Ikea Plant is literally right there. And yeah, the Ikea Plant sits there just plainly just because of aesthetics. Obviously, when I'm doing my videos, as you can see, the whole background is my setup. Well, fully half of it, this side is, and this side is the curtain. But that Ikea plant I mainly put there because it just gives them more of a character, more aesthetics, and especially because I film raw. Well, not raw, but well, I do film raw, but I shoot my videos cine style, and I have to color grade myself. And when I color grade, obviously, I'm not wearing anything colorful. And in the room there's nothing really colorful apart from the light behind me and that plant just enhances the look of the video, and especially when I color grade it just pops. So when you're watching it, it's not like just dark, like bland color. So literally all it's there is just to give the video a little bit of character and a little bit of brightness and color to it, if that makes sense. Anyway, second thing on my list is my Ikea lamp. So Ikea lamp, went to pick it up from Ikea, brought it back home, and I thought, you know what should I do with it? I had some Philips Hue light bulbs, so I chucked one of them in there. It's the screw-on ones. Chucked one of them in there, and that I'm using for my background light. So it's pretty cool. So it just keeps me away from the background, basically. It just gives them more of a, like I was saying with the plant, when I go to color grade, it gives them more like a nice vibrant like kind of color. It makes it look more colorful and bright, because like I said, I'm not wearing anything colorful, so I'm relying on my background to bring the color and make the colors pop in my videos when I obviously color grade them. Anyway, but yeah, that's my Ikea plant. It's very important. That Ikea plant and the Ikea lamp is very important to make my videos. Anyway, coming third on the list is my keyboard, which is right there. My keyboard is the Logitech G513 Carbon, I believe. Yeah, G513 Carbon is my keyboard I'm rocking right now. It's from Logitech, and yeah, it's just an absolutely amazing keyboard all around. Great for gaming, great for productivity, especially great for editing my videos as well. The keys are so light, you don't even have to like fully press the key to obviously engage it. And speaking about the mouse, I have the Logitech MX Master 2S. Absolutely beautiful mouse. It's literally I couldn't recommend it enough. Literally for gaming, productivity, this is a mouse you want to go for. It might not look like a gaming mouse, but trust me, when you're in the arena with this mouse gaming, it just flows absolutely beautifully. It's mainly for the mouse is mainly for productivity, as in editing videos, browsing the internet, just basically productivity work. But I have actually noticed that gaming with this mouse is absolutely awesome. Now we're moving straight right across the keyboard and mouse straight over to the other side of my desk, which I am holding my headset. They are the Corsair HS70 headset. Just absolutely awesome headset. It does the job. I mean, there's probably other headsets out there that are way better than it, but it really does. It does the job, and it sounds good. The bass is good, the treble is good, the high, the lows, absolutely awesome. Mate, I use this to play games, and it just sounds absolutely crisp. Anyway, enough of the keyboard. I mean, enough of the headset. Let's move on to what's giving the desk a little bit more of an aesthetic kind of look and vibe, just to kind of counter my both setup, you know, to make it nice and equal. I have my laptop and my tablet holder, which is in the corner there. I store my HP gaming laptop in there, and my Samsung Galaxy Tab A, I believe, the 10-inch one right there. So the laptop is purely there just for aesthetics, because I don't really use it. I only use it when I go traveling, or I'm out there, the studio, or the setup, and I need to edit, or I need to do some work, which is hardly and rarely. Then I take that with me. And the tablet, I use it for scripting, basically, when I obviously make videos for you guys. I use it to script my videos as well, so I can read off it when I'm making my videos. But yeah, and then my mousepad is, of course, a mousepad from Spigen. It's the extra large mousepad, extended mousepad. It looks amazing. I like the fact that it's just pure black with just a little brand name just on the bottom right of it, just saying Spigen. It's nice. It just gives it a nice touch to it. It's not there isn't a lot of things going on. It's a nice surface to move your mouse about on. It's just absolutely awesome. But yeah, got that nice branding over there, which is pretty damn good. And then what else do I have on my desk? I don't actually have anything else. But yeah, I built this desk mainly to have that kind of minimalistic setup. But obviously, I added a few things in, and I just wanted it to kind of match and be symmetrical, if you know what I mean. That's why I have a few things on the desk that, I mean, I need everything on the desk, but obviously, it's just built really nicely. And also, one thing I forgot to mention, is my camera. That's my secondary camera. Well, not really my secondary camera, because I'm going to be selling that. That is the Canon EOS 80D. The 90D I'm using to film with right now, because that's my main camera. But the 80D, I'm going to be selling that. When I sell that, I need to find something to put on where it is now, so it keeps the setup kind of nice and tidy and how it's meant to be. But yeah, anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smack that like button, and also don't forget to share the video, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and yeah, please, it's 2021. Let's see how big or bigger we can grow this channel. Anyway guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.